Hi everybody. This is a video about pronunciation of some of the words in the reading about Michelle Obama. That's on page 68 and 69 in your workbook. The first two words have the sound sh, 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 right? And remember, letters and sounds are different in every language, but really different in English sometimes. The first word is the name Michelle. Michelle, like Michelle Obama, right? This is a French name, so I think maybe it's different. The pronunciation is different in French than in English in America. In America, we say Michelle. Most people say Michelle. Michelle. Right? Listen, how many syllables? Michelle. 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 2 syllables, right? One of the ways we know is from the spelling. Here we see CH together. When we see CH together, we know, oh, this is a new syllable. M-I-C-H. Okay, yeah, for sure, new syllable. We can always cut before a CH in the middle of a word. In the middle, we know, oh, it's a new, because it's the sound ch, or here, sh. Michelle. Michelle. So we have 2 syllables. Michelle. Michelle. Maybe you can make cards like this too, maybe after the video. First watch and listen. Maybe after watch again and make cards for practice. Michelle. 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 Where's the stress? Michelle. Michelle. Listen to me in English, American English. Michelle. Michelle. It's on the second, right? Longer and louder. Shell. Michelle. Michelle. I think this is different than French. French, maybe the stress is here. Michelle. 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 I don't know. But English, Michelle. Michelle. Here, the I, the sound, I. No, the sound here, ma. Michelle. Michelle. Repeat. Michelle. Good. Michelle. The next word has the sound sh too. Issue. 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 The meaning of issue is like problems or topic. For example, in the story about Michelle Obama, it says, Michelle helped with many issues. And here it's talking about issues in America, like problems in the United States. Michelle Obama helped with education, because in the United States, education has a lot of problems. There's a lot of problems with the education, right? Especially, well, maybe my opinions. But also Michelle Obama helped with healthy eating and healthy lifestyles, because in the United States, we don't have a lot of healthy eating, right? It's difficult to find good food sometimes. It's easier to go to like McDonald's or cheaper, right? This is a problem. It's an issue in the United States. Listen, issue. Issue. We have 2 parts. You can hear issue, 2 syllables. Issue. 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 But also we know from the spelling. In the spelling, we have I-S-S-U-E. Always, or almost always, when we have 2 consonants in the middle, right? This is a vowel, I, vowel. U is a vowel, and E is a vowel. But S, these are consonants. In the middle of the word, when you have 2 consonants, we can cut these in the middle for the syllables. So we know from reading, we know, oh, 2 syllables. And from listening, we can hear issue, issue, 2 syllables, issue. Right? Here, the sound is not S, right? The name, the letter S. The sound here, sh, like sh, or ship, right? Sh, issue, issue. But here you hear the sound before and after, both syllables. Sh, sh, ish, shoe, ish, shoe. How do we know it's you, shoe? Because we have final E, right? This final E, it's called the silent E or magic E. And this E changes the sound of the vowel before. And now this vowel will say its name. And the name of this vowel is U. So the sound, shoe, issue. Repeat. Issue. Good. All right. Let's look at some verbs. The first verb is inspire. And first, let's look at the base form, right? This is the past, inspired. But here, we want to look at the base form, or the present, like I inspire, you inspire, they inspire. And the meaning here, inspire, the meaning is to give somebody a good idea. Or to give them like a really good feeling so that they have a good idea. For example, Michelle Obama, because she was the first black woman to be married to the president, the first lady, she inspired many women and girls to also get jobs in politics or in the government, or become like the most important in a company, or like this. She inspired. She gave them the good idea, the good feeling. Inspire. So the meaning is like to give somebody a good feeling so that they have a good idea. Inspire. 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 Now, let's look at the spelling rules. Right? We have a vowel, I, consonant, N, consonant, S. So we have 2 consonants. Right now we know, oh, we should cut it. Right? Inspire. Now, after this one, we cut the first, right? We're starting here. Like vowel, I, consonant, N, consonant, S, consonant, P, but we don't cut again because, no, we already have a cut here. Also, maybe you know many words start with in. So, inspired. One more spelling rule, right? Inspired. Inspired. How many syllables do you hear? Inspire. Inspire. I don't know how to explain the rule, but we have one more cut here. Inspired, or inspire. And I don't know how the rule for RE, but R at the end usually is its own syllable. Or 2 ways. Right? We pull in our mouth. It starts relaxed. Right? And our tongue. The tongue is up. In the middle. Inspire. Or inspire. Inspire. So here we have y. Both are very good. Inspired. With the D, past, is just d. Inspired. 3 syllables. Where's the stress? Inspired. Inspired. What is loud? Spy, right? Very loud, long. Inspired. Repeat. Inspired. And later we will study more about D. Why don't we say red? Inspire red. We will study this later. But here, this one, no, not red. Erd. Or yud. Inspired. Inspired. Okay. The next one is similar. Admire. 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 Here the meaning of admire. Admire is like, similar to the word like or love. It's when you look at somebody and you like them or you love them. You respect them. Admire. Many people admire Michelle Obama. They think she is a wonderful woman, a very strong woman, a very kind woman. They admire her. They like her. They love her. Like she is a good person, a good example. Admire. So we don't usually say maybe like husband and wife or boyfriends or boyfriend, girlfriend. They don't say like, I admire you. Usually it's I love you. Like family, I love. Admire, maybe we admire family too. But admire is like love for somebody. You look at them and they are like a good example. Admire. And again, vowel, consonant, consonant. DM, consonant. So we could cut. Right? Admire. And I don't know how to explain the rule, but RE at the end, different syllable. Admire. Admire. Same thing. Final E, silent E, changes this letter. So this letter says I. Admired. And the same one, this one not admire red. We will study later, but the meaning, the sound here, admired. Admired. Where's the stress? Admired. My. Admired. Repeat. Admire. Good. With the D. Admired. 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 Both are good. Great. The next, we have one more like this. This one, succeed. Succeed. The meaning of succeed means you do it. You have a goal or you have a plan and you work, and then you do it. You finish. Succeed. Succeed. So the meaning is you do it. For the spelling helps us know how many syllables. How many syllables? Succeed. Succeed. So we can hear succeed. Succeed too. But also we can see S-U-C-C, right? Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Two consonants. We know we should cut. Now, this one has the K sound. Suck, suck, suck. Succeed. This one has the S sound because of the E's. It's a little bit complicated, but there are rules. Succeed. 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 This one, very quick. It's very lazy. Succeed. Succeed. So the most important, the stress, seed. Seed. Yeah, there's our stress. Succeed. Succeed. Now this one is the other rule about ed. This one we do say ed. Succeeded. Succeeded.